Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you 5 reasons why to use Python in 2023, so let's get started. 1. Data science. This is the single most significant reason why many programmers are learning Python in 2023. I know many of my friends who are bored with their Java programming jobs in investment banks are learning Python to make a career in data science due to exciting work and high pay. But what makes Python a preferred language for data science and machine learning? Didn't R was considered best for that not too long ago? Well, I think the libraries and framework Python offers, like PyBrain, NumPy, and PyMySQL on AI, data science, and machine learning, are one of those reasons. 2. Machine learning. This is another reason why programmers are learning Python in 2023. The growth of machine learning is phenomenal in the last couple of years, and it's rapidly changing everything around us. Algorithms become sophisticated day by day. The best example is Google, which can now answer what you are expecting. If you are interested in machine learning, want to do a pet project, or just want to play around, Python is the only major programming language that makes it easy. Though there are machine learning libraries available in Java, you will find more content around Python as the developer community is preferring Python over anything else on data science and machine learning. 3. Web development. Proper old development is another reason for learning Python. It offers so many useful libraries and frameworks, example Django and Flask, which makes web development really easy. A task that takes hours in PHP can be completed in minutes on Python. Python is also used a lot for web scraping. There are a lot of using Python web development frameworks like Django and Flask, which can help you quickly create your web application in no time. 4. Simplicity. This is the single biggest reason for beginners to learn Python. When you first start with programming and coding, you don't want to start with a programming language that has a complicated syntax and weird rules. Python is both readable and simple. It is also easier to set up. You don't need to deal with any problems like Java or compiler issues like C++. Writing a Python file is same as writing English. Just install Python, and you are done. While installing, it will also ask you to add Python in path, which means you can run Python from anywhere on your machine. 5. Big community. You need a community to learn new technology, and friends are your biggest asset when it comes to learning a programming language. You often get stuck with one or another issue, and at that time, you need a help from someone. Thanks to Google, you can find the solution of your any Python-related problem in minutes. Communities like Stack Overflow also bring many Python experts together to help newcomers. So friends, these are the most important reasons why to use Python. To get more useful videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. I will again meet you very soon.